Alright, looks like this freight train is going to be moving. This is the same one that I saw come in to Turcot Holding here, and now it's leaving. Alright, so you have this westbound freight, and it's on the 17th of October 2023. This is part 2 of that video, although I'm gonna show some of the other videos that I had of this day on the same day when I publish it. In the background there, you can see Highway 20 at rush hour at about 6 o'clock p.m. And this one looks like it's going to be a lot of gons. A lot of scrap metal. Even the high side guns there have scrap metal in them. So at the bottom here in Montreal, light is getting low earlier. What would have been a train that I would see during bright sunlight during the summer is in the twilight now. Here in the edge of winter, basically. Here we are 2 weeks out of Halloween, and the time change from standard time, from daylight time to standard time. Well, CSX, look at that. CSX hoppers. What's in there? I don't think it's coal. Gravel, maybe? Here you have the covered hoppers. Probably plastics in there. Plastic pellets. And here's a cut of boxcars. Those are interesting loads on those center beams. car is coming up. Here it is. As we watch it head west. There we get a red flashing light. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.